everyone, welcome back to our channel Study Desk for You. And today I would like to talk about basic sort and filter. So in this session we are going to learn this sort and filter options with examples. And we are also going to learn how to apply these two options in an easy way. Before we get started, I would ask to do consider subscribing our channel and please hit the bell icon because that is how you get to be uploaded about my every single video. So let's get into our session. So first topic is sort. Sorting is nothing but arranging the data either in ascending order or descending order. Why we are using this sorting option? Suppose if you have a large amount of data in your worksheet, then the important thing is we need to organize the data for easy accessing or for easy content recognizing. So to do that, we are going to use sort option which is available in Home tab. By using this data sorting, we can quickly reorganize a worksheet. So let's apply this sort option with different examples. Here on the screen, I have different text here. Purposely, I have written some numbers, some text, dates, time, color, and multiple column values. So we'll see one by one. First, I select a cell in the given range of B column. So in the B column, I selected a cell and I'm going to apply sort option. Click here, and if you observe, I have two options here in the sort option, sort A to Z, sort Z to A, because here I selected a text content. So if you are selecting a text, it gives A to Z or Z to A. While we are selecting numbers, it gives smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So largest to smallest. So depend upon the content, it gives the options. So now I'm going to apply for text. Here no need to select entire column. Now I'm going to select only single cell. Any cell you can select and go to sort option, sort A to Z or Z to A. Now I want to sort A to Z. So it sorts by alphabetical order A to Z. It arranges automatically. Here I gave some color for Rohan because I gave some duplicate content here, so it gives one by one. Both the cells which are having Rohan are displayed in the same place. So it displayed alphabetical wise. Now I'm going to select numbers. Purposely I have written duplicate values with some light green color. I'm going to select a single cell in the numbers column. Go to sort and filter. Here you can apply smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Now I'm going to select largest to smallest. So it arranges all the values. So this is about sorting for arranging alphabetical wise or numbers wise, incrementing or decrementing. Now I'm going to select dates. Again I'm going to select only one single cell and purposely taken some duplicate values here and go to sort and filter. Here you have one more new options here with sort oldest to newest, newest to oldest. If suppose I'm selecting oldest to newest text, it gives like this. All the dates with having duplicate values one by one it will display. So this is about sort and filter. And the next one, time column. Now purposely I have taken some duplicate time values here, 5.43 and 6.87. Both are duplicate values here. Again I'm going to select one single cell, go to sort and filter. You can select multiple values here. So I'm going to select smallest to largest. So based on that, all the values are rearranged. Now I'm going to sort my values based on colors. If you have content with colors, so based on colors, I have to arrange. So for that, select any single cell. No need to select entire column here. Now I'm going to select a single cell. Go to sort and filter. Here you can use these options. Now I want color based. So go to custom sort. So in this first one, we have a column name called as color and based sort on which basis. Suppose if you have cell values, select this one. Now I want color base. So take cell color. So if you select this cell color, it takes background color. If you want font colors, select this one. If you have conditional formatting icons, so you can select this one. Now color based, I'm going to select this one option. And now which color you want on the top. So because here we have top option, top, bottom. Now I want top, and color also I'm going to select green. So click on OK. Instead of clicking OK, now I'm going to add remaining colors because I have different colors here. I'm going to take this Williams. So I'm going to add next level, and in this I'm going to select the cell color, and the color is this orange, light orange color. And I'm going to add one more color for adding yellow color, which is having Rian with duplicate values. So I'm going to add 3 colors. If you want more colors, you can add by using this add level. Right now I'm closing this one by clicking OK. If you observe, first preference for green, next light orange, then yellow color. Remaining blue and red, all the purple, all the colors on the bottom placed. So if you observe, green color and light orange and yellow color all are in on top. So this is about color based. So if you want to apply sorting based on color, you can apply this custom sorting option. And right now we have seen only single column values. Now I have taken here 2 columns here with person names and sales. So if suppose if you have these 2 columns, then now I'm going to apply sorting. And for identification, I'm going to apply some color here. Now I'm going to check out whether these 2 values are having same content or not, because or content or not. So for this I'm going to select a cell and go to sort and filter. In this I'm going to select smallest to largest. So if I click this, 2000, Francis is having 3000, so both are relevant. So like this we can arrange the content in multiple columns as well as single column. So this is about basic sort. We have some advanced sorting options in data tab. This option we'll discuss in the next sessions. So right now I finished basic sorting option. So now let's move to filter. So filter, what is filter? Why we are using this filter? Because if your worksheet contains a lot of content, it can be difficult to find information quickly. Filters can be used to narrow down the data in your worksheet and allowing to view only the desired data or only that particular information you need. So let's do this with examples. Right now I have data like this. In this data I have some text, dates, numbers. Purposely I have taken these values in this table. So if you want to apply filters, we have a shortcut key, that is Ctrl Shift L. If you press Ctrl Shift L, it adds filter option. This drop down button in every column is nothing but filter. It adds filtering options to each columns. Now if you want to clear this filter option, again press Ctrl Shift L option. Instead of that, we have this filtering option here. Select any cell in the table or in the column. No need to select entire data. You can select only single cell and click on the sort and filter. Here you have this filtering option. So you can use like this. If you click this, all the columns are getting filtering options. Now I'm going to deactivate this Ctrl Shift L. You can also use with another shortcut key from the keyboard, that is press Alt. Go to data tab is having A, now press A, and then this filtering option is having T, now press T. So you will get all the filtering options here. So if you want to deactivate this, again Alt A and T, all the filtering options are removed. So we have various ways to open or apply this filtering, that is Control plus Shift plus L, or this home tab filter option, or Alt A T. So by using these 3 options we can use this filter option. Now for text, now I'm going to apply this filter option on different context. So first one, text. So in the first column I have different sales representative names. So I selected one name and go to filter. So if you click on this, all the filters are added. Now if you click this drop down list, you will get these options here in the select all. Now if you want to display only particular member details, then you can select here. Now I want to display only Rahul and Rohan details. Now for that, uncheck remaining checkboxes and click on OK. So it displays only those two-person details. So again, if you want to unclear, again click this clear from filters. So click on this, it gives the original data. So like this, we can apply filters on text. And again, I'm going to apply this location and click on this. If you want to display only New York, uncheck remaining options and click on OK. It displays only that particular details. And again, if you want to uncheck, if you want to unfilter, deactivate this filter option, click on this filter option. Again, it gives original data. Now in this text, we have one more option, that is, I'm going to select a single cell. Now I'm going to apply Control Shift L for filters and I'm clicking this drop down list. We have this text filter options having various options here, that is equals, does not equal, begins with, ends with, contains, all these options here. Suppose I want to display all the locations which are begin with N. So if you click this, a dialog box will appear and click on OK. It displays all the location values which are having N starting letter. So again, if you want to deactivate filters, clear filters. So this is another option, and text filters. Now coming to next one, dates. So here I have date column and purposely I have taken multiple values here. Now if you click on this drop down list, we have these options. Now I want to display only 2021. So at that time, so uncheck this 2020 and click on OK. Only 2021 date details are displayed. So again, if you want to uncheck, you can clear this clear filter, or in the data tab, we have clear option here. So if you click on this, again original data will display. Again, in this data filters, we have different options here. By using this, we can get different date values. Like if suppose I want to display tomorrow, so it gives only that particular data. So if you want display particular data, then we can use this filters. Again, if you want to clear, use this one. And some more options here, that is next week, next month, last year, all the values here. Now I'm going to use next week. So all the next week details are displayed. So like this we can use filters. And coming to numbers, here we have different numbers here in price, quantity and total sale amount. So in the price, I'm going to apply. So if you want to display particular values, you can select here. Now I'm going to apply number filters. In this, I want to display greater than 100. So click on OK. So it displays all the price values which are having above 100. Again, if you want to unfilter, clear. So it gives the remaining values. So this is about filters. Now last one, filter paste. Suppose in the region, I selected a cell and I applied filters. So in this text filters, I am applying begins with W and click on OK. All the west region details are displayed. Now I want to paste this content. If you observe, after 5, there is no 6, there is no 8, there is no 11. Like this, all the details are there. Now I want to display. So for that, Control A for selection, Control C for copy, and wherever you want, just select that and paste. Control V for paste, and arrange the column values so that you will get all the appropriate values in proper format. So like this, you can paste values. So this is about filter paste. So we discussed basic sort and filter options in Home tab. So that's it for today's session. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. And for online and offline classes, visit our website www.fratelloinotech.com. And for more tutorials, visit our one more website www.kennisworld.com. And I hope you like this video. And if you like it, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. And if you like it, please like, share with your friends and well-wishers who really wants to learn new courses. Thanks for watching.